Hello guys, welcome back. Now we are going to do this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Bring your footage to timeline. Now use blank ink transition. If you want to use this, the download link in the description. So now select the layer and change the blend mode to multiply. Come to FX library and search for curves. Apply it on the layer. Render it. So you can change the speed. Control or Command R. Now render it again. Now check the final result. Yeah. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I see you in the next video.